earlier. Back from earlier. Okay, so Twitch is working. What about YouTube? Alright, cool. YouTube is also working. Okay, YouTube chat's still not coming through on the little chat UI, but anyways, we'll continue. Let me just double check what this sounds like. Hello? Okay, YouTube chat's still not coming. Okay. Great, let's get back to programming. So, I'll zoom in a little bit more. How's that? That is better, I think. Okay, so we are going to continue on our Telegram bot. And now we actually want to, we've played around with AI. We know we can have like a regular chat going. We have some parts. We've explored a little bit. But now we need to actually make a Telegram bot. So let's have a look at how to do that. Telegram bot. Should we ask our chat? I want to write a Telegram bot. What npm library is best? Node Telegram bot API. Is that right? 148. Okay, sure. This is old though, no? A year ago. So we have this. Telegram client. Okay. It's a lot less downloads. It says gram.js. Okay, I guess we'll just use this one here. Looks good, fine, regular. There we go, that. And we can then do -d at types. Lovely, okay. So now we do have that there. Let's go into lib and make a telegram slash here. Index.ts. Hello t from node dash teleg. There we go. So t dot Okay, we have. Alright, so just Telegram bots. Okay, so I need to make Telegram bot token. Create a bot that uses polling to fetch updates. Okay, so Collins bot equals new Telegram bot token. Do we need polling? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I need to get Telegram up and going. I don't want to leak anyone, all my stuff. So actually, just in case that does happen, I'm going to go over here. There you go. Sorry guys, just you know, don't want to, you know, dot myself. Bot father / new bot. Alright, a new bot. How are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. John's assistant. Well, let's give it a nice name. What are we thinking for an assistant? Janet. Janet, there we go. Good. Sorry guys, you can't see. Oh, you can probably see this now. There we go. Good, now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot. Okay. Janet _ bot. John. Janet _ bot. So there's an API on the screen. So actually I can't use this one. Great. So yeah, let me not do that. Let's go back to this. Don't want to leak anything, you know. Oh guys, just putting that in the .env. Okay. And we're good. Let's go back. Alright, cool guys. These icons are huge. Let me just edit that on my .files, waybar styles, icon size. This goes down to 24. Bash script manager. Okay, much better. Fix icons. All right, cool. Let's get things started then. Telegram token there. Okay. Lovely. Let's get that back up. I guess I need polling true. Everything seems to imply that. And then bot.onMessage. Let's just go here and do that. So now I need to leave this running. Okay. Then we have like svelte kit run something alongside on start. Before we start, make sure you have the current adapters and node adapter. Okay, actually need. Okay, so I need a node adapter. Okay, so I have the Telegram thing here. Maybe this here will start it. Okay. You can go to your hooks.server.js/ts file or create a new one. Hooks.server. Okay. Okay, let's go with this. Set up Telegram. And then we gotta do like if not building. Import building. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now in here we go. Setting up Telegram. But it's, you see, it only worked on a refresh, which maybe is okay for development, but right, okay. So we have this. Great. So next, let's go here. Thank you, Ryu. Let's go for was it t.me / Janet_John_bot. Okay. Let's have a look at what we get from message here. So it actually does need to like do that there. Okay. I'm gonna leave this over here in case we do need to test it out. Okay. Let me test something. So it says, so I guess they're all like public. That's fine, I guess. I can just respond to the ones Rio has. So for now, let's just do them all. Okay, to do make okay, but we can expand it out. Okay. So we get the message. This is actually going to go and be an AI. So on messages here, we need to do something very, very similar to this. Let's go make an AI thing here. This is from ENV. And what does stream text take? Call settings and prompt and all other sorts of other things. Yeah, okay, what we're gonna need to do is something else here. Well, let's not get too complicated, I guess. Let's just literally get messages here, core messages. Let's go. Okay. Get response equals this, takes in messages, prompt or messages, but not both. Core messages, let's go. An array of core message, and it does, and it returns a string and an array of core message. Let's go with that. So here we're going to do more or less the same. Or we'll extract this out later as well. And then the Zod comes from Zod. And we don't want to, we actually want to generate text. On there and nothing. Okay. This is async. Await. Return result dot message. What is it? Oh, come on. Experimental output, finishing reason, response. Let's go with this, and I need to examine what the result is. Promise of these. There we go. Perfect. So in here we can just do get response. So this is user, and the content is, what are you expecting? User content. Oh, it's string, okay. So we can just go and say, what should we say, guys? We should say, oh, message dot chat. Wait, what did we have? Message dot text. Okay. Okay. Right, so I have to do some funky stuff. Hello. Okay. Hi Ria, how can I assist you today? Oh, and it's an empty string. So actually, I'm trying to figure out what I want. It's just dot text. Result. Text. There we are. Okay. There we go. Hello. Aria, how can I assist you? Can I get through to John? John is currently busy. That's great. Okay. Just 2 seconds, guys. Checking something. Great. Oh, okay. We do have to forward the message to John, which should go basically here as well. This is either a Telegram bot or undefined. If bot is equal to null, throw new error. Bot is null. Otherwise we return underscore bots. And we export this. Lovely. And we do underscore bots equal to bots like this. Okay. We don't return the bot. There's gonna be some circular stuff here, but the chat ID. Let's oh god. I don't know what the chat ID is, so okay, let's go with this. I hope that is kind of static, but it might not be. Send message, and it's gonna be when we do forward this to John. Oh. I wonder if I can make a different account, you know? Like I would like to have a different one. I'm not sure. Oh guys, I'm just seeing if I can have another account. Do I need a phone number? Maybe I do need a phone number. It's like we're gonna need some server-sent events maybe if we want to send this to the front end. And then the front end doesn't have to actually interact with the AI too much. Yeah, I think that would be the best. Okay, let's try that for now. And I think I might have to restart it, like I usually do. Okay, so I'm here. John, the house is burning down, help. Please check immediately. Okay, we're gonna need it. Oh, okay, so result.text could potentially be a tool call, which makes this bit empty. So let's have a look again. What can we extract? Tell you what, I think I know what to do. I have to, if we go here and I say instead of message and also a response, and this is going to be the message to respond to Rio. then I think that will give me something useful that I can return. The house is burning down, help. Okay, text is empty, but we had a tool result. Okay, so if result.text is equal to null, so this is only going to be called like once, so if it's null, then we should go and say const, so we should get, oh stop it, result.tool results dot, well at 0, and we enforce that there, return call dot result or messages. Lovely. And let's just put this here. And we could even say like result.text is equal to null. Nah, this is much nicer. No need to reach for ternaries where they're not needed. Okay. We should have something now. Let's try again. No. Let's return this. Okay. Ria says the house is burning down, and we send it over. Yeah, okay. Cool, so what's the problem? Message text is empty. Is this gonna have a different like thread ID? Is that why it's not working actually? I reckon that's it. Okay. No, that does work. So I sent then the house is burning. The same thread ID. And I'm still getting bad request messages text is empty. don't understand. Yeah. And we do this. Yep. And on the AI, we just console log. We're not doing anything else. So what's the problem? Let's do it that way. Underscore init, underscore init. Okay. Sending res wrong. Okay. Okay, so I think yeah, there's just something there, isn't there? Maybe that was it actually. Which I think is a bit silly, but good. There we go. And we don't actually send this, we send the response. That's what we care about. And now we do have something that works. Look at this, guys. John, hurry. I've been hit by a penguin. I forward your message to John. Hang tight, Rio. That's very good. Very good. Okay, get rid of this. Oh, perfect. Okay. So basically, on that, when it does happen, that tool call, I'm gonna need to send it over to a server or something. Tell you what, for now, I'm actually gonna message Rio. I'm gonna just change to face, don't wanna box anything. Slash content. How do I need to forward a link? No. Okay, she's still, responding. So yeah, I mean, this could do a number of things. It could send a push notification, could do loads of stuff. So the AI is really just kind of going to be... oh wait, one thing I need to do actually is send the messages again, right? So if there's like a chat, yeah, there's like recurring messages. Push. So actually, we want to do dot messages and result dot mess dot. I want to append like the text or something. No. Let me have a look. I think Rio actually replied. Oh wait, I think it's not quite working right now. Hold on. I think she tried it and might not be quite right. We should actually send this to the front end, you know? We should have all of this stuff on the front end. Sorry guys, just going to see if this worked. I told it I was going to okay, commit terrorist attack. I'm not sure. It doesn't seem to be doing much right now. I think Rio is messaging the bot, but not quite, you know. Still see nothing here, and we definitely have console of the response on the forward message. Still seeing nothing here. I reckon there's going to be like a good like to-do list that could happen here, that we could have. I actually think our architecture is a bit bad for this, because like, do I really want the UI to be like, I want the server to be a lot more complicated than this, and I don't really want to be hamstrung by by having this here. So I might migrate this over to something else. Okay, actually, Rio did send it through, and it's actually not forwarding the messages. I think part of the reason is, well, because I'm not appending messages here. So I get the messages back. Right, and let chat messages is equal to call messages. Okay. We send through chat messages, and then that one. And we go chat messages equals messages, like so. And this will actually need to do expiry timer and stuff. And I might actually migrate all this to like a Bun application or something like that, you know? Okay. Hello, Janet. What was your last message? Okay. Send messages, and then I send this here. Just get response. Okay. And it's gonna be. Oh, yeah, that's what we were stuck on, wasn't it? AI SDK, generate text, append to messages. Well, we can do role assistant, you know, and we go like content dot tool result 0 dot result, and here we go assistant result dot text. It's a bit bad. I'm starting to not like it very much, but hey, here we go. Not here, we need this. I'm definitely gonna migrate this over. Hello. How are you? How many messages have you sent me? List them all. Perfect. Has the idea to recap now. Okay. And we're always gonna do message.text. This might be a terrible idea because Rio's probably gonna send some unhinged stuff, but sure. And let's get chat messages going there as well. Okay. I'm gonna try that again. And I'm gonna send Rio a message telling it to. Okay. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna go migrate this over to like a full server, you know. I guess we did want to have this in the browser, but if I have this as like a regular application, then I can do a lot more interesting stuff. My idea is to use other services like you know, like tasks and stuff, to-do list, a calendar, or just give it, or just have the entire interface be Janet, you know. And if it's messaging me, it can it can show like tasks and stuff. which would be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm actually just gonna wait until Ria messages. I'm just gonna get some water, guys. I'll be right back. Still nothing? Okay, that's fine. In the meantime, what could we do? Not sure. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to have this in another type of application. Which is same. I actually quite liked this, and I love this here. This is so nice. We'll migrate it over to a different type of application. We'll get rid of like all the svelte and stuff like that. We just have like a normal web API. We might not even need that. Well, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. Actually, pretty short stream, but